Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is welcome to HPM Tech. How to use Google Solar to fund content ideas to reach it. How to use Google Solar to fund content idea and reach it. Looking for a new way to reach our fund content ideas to your marketing content. You have heard of Google Solar, his site accessory right tool we needed. Google Solar is search engine for Solary, library manager, academy, publisher and universal person. This last fund articles to creation topic choose Google Solar graded resource for funding articles on topic decided your niche and edit team your Google Solar library. Any can use these tools such as Market Academy or any who went to reach it all needed ideas what you are looking at a Google account. We reached content help build trust posting your lender your instantly creating content can be one of the most effective ways promote your business not many it costs 62% less than trend marketing and type number of idea brands this looks post strategy using Google Solar and funding marketing content idea Richard put tips be successful let's start how to does solar work Google Solar ranking domestic because the number of the articles is been viewer pointed download website for time as around years. See how to make can devise missives around traffic your website. Content marketing as character content will be great link effect traffic page market effect page strategy. Similar to Google search result, the most popular, most used topic. Show your first solar result. Google Solar AM ranking domicile with Richard Word because is sold and publishing. This ranking system also means searching against fund result content more domicile and edit your Google Solar library we publisher submit them. The Google Solar media program for this domestic and unboxing ranking me available searching is result. D is not limited of number domicile that can be added your Google Solar library. It's dependent how to make publisher or parting in this marks it easy market and Richard I kicked weight ranging resource content ideas Richard topic at Google Solar benefit research because allow marketing research easy access to Google Solar searching relect industry bent of topic no matter looking your articles on digital marketing trending healthcare Google Solar can help get high quality search result if you want to learn how to use solar successful your marketing research following the step first search by your year fund trading topic Google Solar advanced search option can help your fund most resource research purpose by yes you can also factor you're looking more recent content on topic went award artists articles don't recent trending your industry For example, let's say your company industry solar media marketing best particular you can keep result modern Google Solar can help note down search topic especially data range to never your search down by data using sun your option show only recent publisher papers store result. You can also use the story with date option to show just new edition story the published date. Using this feature can help find most up to date result on your topic find out complete is trading about right now. To explore research articles to candidate topic Google Solar Research Articles option allow explore article submit once already reach when can help generation more content. To use feature simply click reset articles link it button in article you can result page. For example, reset content manage system and find great result about WordPress. You can following read articles word double and Joomla. This also be helpful to find articles about main keywords but now about when retake keyword benefit search for often. For example, if you search content management system in Google Solar right using Solar's popular use terms you gain following result. This result article gave great start point content research creation story content topic. 3. Explore the most popular articles and posting Google Solar list browser top 100 publisher in multiple language other be by 5 years inbox meeting marketing. This feature allow you to see which article published we create most after by all. You can also click the inbox number see article in capital marketing. This inbox number research highest numbers personal articles topic to 15% creation content for following the creation article idea. Subscribe my channel HPM Tech for latest mission update. Thanks for watching. To ship down to more traffic.